CT scan egi nemwe hari ezo 14 ezahirwe y'amarwariro amakuru omu ihanga ryona.
Get a second opinion from our hospitals, government hospitals, because we've discovered that some people in private facilities are just increasing the number of people who have typhoid. When they go to government hospitals and test, they are found they don't have it.
Dr. Richard Mugahi omwe bakora hirwariro eri najya kwihechome kiretwa batwirana barondo omukugu wo kukikoresa kwonka kiburizamisho.
We are looking for someone to work in the radiology, a radiologist trained with an MBCHB and a master's in radiology. That is supposed to be the head of this unit.
Okurujira abahandiko ku rugo ministry y'ebyamagara Uganda etwire n'abahangu 88 konki 11 hari yabo bakahumura obwahate nambe y'abaroho terukumara.
A good note for us as a regional fire hospital. We have sent 2 of our doctors for training. I think by next year they will be finishing the course and they'll be back with us here as radiologists. But in the meantime, the ministry has arrangement on how best we can be able to interpret and read these images and write the reports.
Margaret Mahanga, oru minister w'ebyamagara habwa primary health care, nawe najyango yobora ry'abakugu mu marwariro mengi kintu kirekizo buchamani hamwe no kusibaza entunguka omu byamagara.
Modern laboratory technicians, so you find we have old school people that may not even work on our equipment, and that's why you had the director say that we have a CT scan, we are building for it, but we don't even have a radiologist to run it.
Agacencwire.